Welcome to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Nest Pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Nest Pension Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you have to provide your username and your password. And if you are new to the Nest, you can click on this link to sign up for a new account. Now go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on respective link to recover your account. Now once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on this checkbox. And once it is green, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account. And if you have an locked account, you can click on this link to unlock your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.